DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
The channel. But yeah, man, it's a good look, man. Glad to see him up. Hopefully, get back to dropping music pretty soon. Yes, me and continue. But yeah, man, that one, Brad. This is Brad. Born Bad, the one requested by Babo. Yes, me and say. They said Brad part of 7 when Prince Swanee was with them. Yeah, I said that the other day. I said, wasn't Prince Swanee was part of 7 before he's part of 6? And somebody in the comments was like, no, or something like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm pretty sure when we did that, did the was it what Trench Tales reaction to the video matter with Prince Swanee in the 767, the whole Go Gang. I'm pretty sure they mentioned Prince Swanee was in part of the 7 at one point. Because it was Rubber 6, that was part of the 6 first, and then but yeah, Prince Swanee was part of the 7. Okay, so Brad died. He died at 7, or did he go over to 6 as well? Well, go on. Let me know in the comment section before jumping. But yeah, Baba said Brad was part of 7 when Prince Swanee was with them. Okay, that's dope, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna check out some Brad. We haven't done much Brad on the channel. I'll be talking, me there, I'll talk. We'll jump right now, I think that it's a Brad and Bad, but then we can chop it up afterwards. But drop on the Fox. Drop on the Fox in the channel, gang.
Yeah.
I tell you that years ago, you know, Prince Swanee dread still the shot and I think back then to the teen, that and you look young.
Short time. Cruise life.
You know, dog remind me of dog, the rapper from Chicago there. We dog him, Freddie Gibbs, or you know, so the tattoo in the middle of his forehead and shit.
Bust up the Mac, then link my dog 50.
Okay, I like when you start off the one that you see me. Come on, gang.
I'ma make history. Bust up the Mac, then link my dog 50. Cause I'm about 60. 5.6 if you miss with a dagger. See Jenna Kixie, yo. And anytime in this one, the Z-Tech Empire. We run the place raider. Swanee and the Danny, you not hear what I said. Plum.
Alright, dogs from this Z-Tech Empire, them are good dead, you know. You see me, I say
Empire, we run the place red. Swanee and the Danny, you not hear what I said. Plumpy bars full of my pack up a hand lid. Yeah, the life my life, you know my thank God. One thing with
this was back when there was Arctic. I just mentioned Plumpy Boss. They was all still together as one. Can you just say yo Swandan and the boss, and you hear me say Plumpy Boss full them up a lead? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So they still together at this point when they still making the song. They were still friends. Let me know in the chat.
Up standard. Anywhere we go, we power with we handgun. Hey, and big up first man. One time, yeah, we live with thank God. But one thing we never drop a standard. Anywhere we go, we power with we handgun. Hey, and big up plantain.
So they never drop a standard, you know what I'm saying? And we go. We have we handgun power, you know what I'm telling you, man? Eh? Stop playing.
Anywhere we go, we power with we handgun. Hey, and big up plantain. One time we ban. Yeah, we bad from a ban. This seat take a big gun slam. No one plumpy gun in a man.
Plumpy there, you see me? So they are still friends at this point. You see me? Cause see there, Swanee and Plumpy Boss. You see me and Brad there. This is a Brad video. Oh man. So they were all friends. I'm looking at Monday my enemy that. That's crazy, yo. Shit.
Hey, couple see all of my one, yeah. Hey, we bad from a ban. This seat take a big gun slam. No one plumpy gun in a man.
Come ball for the man them dog. Jano dog. See how things and times can change. Damn. Yeah, that's crazy. Baba said, yeah, Brad died by gunshot. Damn. The 6th them get him. Or this, no, they said the 8 to get him. Damn. Shit. And at this point, he was a 7 still. Damn, bro. That's crazy, man.
See,
One of my
what you
friend,
kill him,
dog.
a murder the fucker. Tell them no bad, them soft like butter. See, take look the thing, Mets basket the
Dog have a black and white thing on the blood cleat that. But yo, the man flow and sound is crazy though. Yeah, he's a bad artist. The high pitch rising.
real top shutters. And you know some evil the fuck one time short and we kill people in a. Tell them how the glass and the eagle in a. Drive pipe on them and sting the vehicle in a. Kill you all of them for no reason. A gunshot fly.
Kill you all of them for no reason, you know. Yo, the dog kind of look like Rebel over there up on the right. Look like Rebel 6 or 3, come on.
I like blood clot beetle in a. And light up the place with diesel in a. You know so we blood clot evil in a. And me aim on the target. And the woman said the boy them me a bucket. See take me not go fight.
Anyway, see boy them a bark it, man. Tear man. You know, hey, come in, man. Iron dog a bark your brother. Yeah, you blow. Easy dog. I like your dog flow. I ain't gonna cap to you. The man remind me like Black Rhino. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
No karate, evil no fucker them know we a torment pan. Yeah, we bad from we ban. This see take a big gun storm. No one plant big gun in a man. Hey, couple see all them a one, yeah. Hey,
Yo, tell me if I'm wrong, gang. You know, remind me of Black Rhino to you. Eh? You see me I said? Yeah, man. This man remember a Black Rhino back in the day when Gaza was just taking over and thing. When Black Rhino was bigger than popcorn, remember that?
we bad from we ban. This see take a big gun storm. No one plant big gun in a man. And them no bad, them just a fucking parrot. You know when me see the boy, them get fucking a lot. Real monsters and you know we not chat.
You better be able to say, Brad, damn, man. R.I.P. This man was going to be hey, come on. It was going to be a force to reckon with. Come on.
For them anyway, take them off of the map, boy. You better watch where you're talking. Cause every killer on the BFC haunted. Boy, you better watch where you're talking. Cause every killer on the BFC haunted.
Sad. Man. Yeah, man. Dog, this man. Damn. We gotta check out more Brad, bro. There's so much artists we have to check out more. So much on the list. But we gonna go, you know what I'm saying? We have to take good time and go treat and enjoy the music, bro. But yeah, man. R.I.P. man. So much talented artists that dead, dog. Come on. Yeah, man. Trinidad, come in, man. Brad, find them, come in.
Even the fuck of them. Over the blood clot. Even the fuck of them. Over the blood clot.
Yeah, man, I'm going on the producers, them too, man. Can't forget the producer, them do good work. You know what I'm saying? They're doing great work. Man, them I wonder. This shit sad as shit. Bad tune, you know. But you know, knowing now, I can remember knowing like back then. Alright, back then, you know what I'm saying, when them song I just dropped, when I say tune are bad. But now that me know how things played out and me now knowing the music, where I know the artists them now. I mean, I look at this song we dropped from years ago when they were still friends. I'm just looking like, damn, this shit sad, bro. You know what I'm saying? From the outside looking like the man them was friends, bro. I know the man at war, I know trying to kill each other. You know what I'm saying? And the man them so talented, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. From the outside looking, this shit sad, bro. But you know, dope tune. But me know say back then when the song I just chop, everybody was like, yo, tune out bad, this is it. But yo, looking back, I see how she played, how much of the man them did off. And the fact the man them was in the same video. Man them in the same video, I chill, I roll them spliff. Bungs fist, everything, friends, bro. I know man, my word, cha. Sad, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, mad tune though. You know, when I take that out tight, a bad tune, man. You see me? Was on mad step. You see me? No, we're bad from we bad. We know we're going in. We are tune one. Yeah, bad tune, man. Shout out to Baba for the one, like. What we have on list next, gang?